Hello kids! Today I'm going to tell you another new Panchatantra story. This story is about a very naughty monkey. Once upon a time, there was a monkey who lived in a jungle. The monkey used to trouble each and every animal living in the jungle. He was not friends with anyone. He used to vex all the other animals for some reason or the other. All the other animals were fed up with him. Whenever an animal got hurt in the jungle, the monkey showed compassion towards them at first and offered medicinal herbs. His real motive behind this, however, was not to help but have his own share of fun out of their suffering. The mixture of the medicinal herbs consisted of lemon and black pepper, which, when applied on the wounds, would make the animals cry in pain. The monkey enjoyed watching all this. One day, a rabbit hit his foot on a stone and got hurt. The rabbit was crying in pain. At the same time, the monkey was passing by from there. He saw the rabbit was badly hurt and he suddenly thought of having some fun. He went up to the rabbit and asked him,
What happened, my friend? How did you get hurt?
I was just playing around here and I hit my foot on the stone and got hurt.
Oh, I am so sorry. It must be paining a lot, no? Let me give you some medicinal herbs. Here, apply this to your foot. It will get better soon.
The monkey went away after giving those medicinal herbs to the rabbit. He hid behind a tree to watch the proceedings. The moment the rabbit applied the herbs to his foot, he screamed in pain.
Ah, my foot, what is this thing? This is hurting even more. I think the monkey has played a prank on me.
The monkey enjoyed watching the rabbit cry in pain. He laughed and went away. Hearing the cries of the rabbit, the turtle and other animals went to him and asked,
What happened, bro? Why are you screaming?
The rabbit narrated the whole incident to all the animals. After listening to the whole incident, the donkey said,
You are absolutely right, turtle bro. This rascal monkey treats everyone badly and creates trouble for others.
The deer added,
Yes, we must teach this monkey a lesson.
After listening to everyone, suddenly the rabbit came up with an idea. He took 2 baskets, one bigger than the other. He applied charcoal under the bigger basket. Then he took those baskets to the monkey and asked him,
Friend, would you like to eat mangoes?
Mangoes! I love eating mangoes.
Then let's go up to the hill. There is a mango tree that has really sweet and ripe mangoes. Let us go and get mangoes from there.
After saying this, the rabbit extended those 2 baskets in front of the monkey. The rabbit wanted the monkey to take the bigger basket, and the monkey immediately grabbed the bigger basket. Both of them went up the hill, and after reaching there, both of them filled up their baskets. The bigger basket had charcoal applied under it, hence the basket got stuck to the ground. But since the monkey didn't want to leave the basket full of mangoes, he used all his power to pick up the basket.
Oh God! This basket is stuck to the ground. I just cannot pick it up.
The monkey again tried to pick up the basket, applying all of his strength, because of which he hurt his hand. Seeing this, the rabbit said,
Friend, you are badly hurt. It must be paining a lot. Let me give you the medicinal herbs. Here, apply this.
When the monkey applied the herbs, he shouted in pain.
Ah! It is paining a lot.
This was the same herb that he used to give to the others. Crying in pain, he ran towards the river. He dipped his hands in the river, but it was still paining. The monkey realized how others must have felt when he used to do the same thing with them. The monkey had learnt his lesson, that whatever you do to others comes back to you. So kids, from this story, we learn a lesson